Good morning students. Today videos heat capacity and relations between del H and del U. Okay, the first one discuss problem 7.2. The standard enthalpies of formations of C2H5OH ethyl alcohol liquid stage. Okay, then carbon dioxide gaseous stage and H2O molecules liquid stage are the values of minus 277 and carbon dioxide values of minus 393.5 and water molecules of minus 285.5 joule Kelvin joule per mole respectively. Calculate the standard enthalpy change for the reactions. See this reaction. Ethyl alcohol. The reaction to ethyl alcohol added to oxygen. The reactions to the first one product carbon dioxide and water molecules. The enthalpy of formations of H2, the standard state of 0 by definitions. Okay, the solutions, for example, the standard enthalpy change for the compositions of ethanol can be calculated from the standard enthalpies of formations of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide and then water molecules. So H2O. The enthalpies of formations, the value substitutions, the substitutions values of these equations. So the change in the heat of reactant and change in the heat of formation. The change in the heat of the formation product minus the change in the heat of the formations of reactant. Okay, so the two molecules of first one, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide product minus reactant. So product side first one, so 2 molecules of carbon dioxide present, so 3 molecules of water molecules present. Okay, minus 1 molecule of ethyl alcohol. This is the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol, the 1 molecules of present, so plus 3 molecules of oxygen present, so 3 del H F naught O2. Okay, the values of substitution, the first 2 moles of carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide value minus 393.5. So then 3 molecules of water molecules present. So water molecules, 3 molecules present. So water molecules value substitutions minus 285.5. Okay. The next reactant side. The reactant side ethyl alcohol 1 molecules of present. So 1 into 1 molecules of present, so 1 moles present, 1 into minus 277. The next 3 moles of oxygen present, so 3 mole into 0 value, so 0. So 0 into 3, 0. Full term is 0. So balance rate 2 into minus 393.5 minus 787 minus 856.5. Okay, minus 277 minus into minus plus, so minus 1643.5 plus 277. So change in the heat of the reaction is equal to minus 1366.5 Kelvin joule. Okay, this is the heat of composition. The heat of composition of a substance is defined as the change in enthalpy of a system when 1 mole of the substance is completely burned in excess of air of gas oxygen. It is denoted by del Hc. Del Hc means heat of combustion, Hc. So for example, the heat of combustion of methane is minus 87.78 Kelvin joule per mole. Okay, this is the heat of the combustions. Then first Okay, this is the equation. The CH4 2O2 CO2 2H2O. So the heat composition's value minus 87.78 Kelvin per mole. Okay, therefore compositions of carbon, the carbon values of composition minus 394.55 Kelvin joule per mole. The composition's reactions are always exothermic, hence the enthalpy change in always negative. Okay, and the second one discuss the molar heat capacity. When heat is applied to a system, the molecules in the system absorb the heat and hence their kinetic energy increases, which in turn rises the temperature of the system from T1 to T2. This increases T2 minus T1 in temperature is directly proportional to the amount of heat absorbed and the mass of the substance, in other words. Okay, so Q directly proportional to M del D. So Q is equal to constant C. So constant C is called heat capacity M del T. So C is equal to constant heat capacity. C is equal to Q by M del T. So the constant C is called heat capacity. So C is equal to Q by M into T2 minus T1. So M is equal to 1 kilogram and T2 minus T1 is equal to 1. So K, then the heat capacity is referred specific heat capacity. The equations, this is the equation. So M value substitution minus 1, plus 1, M value substitution 1. M value substitutions 1. So C is equal to Q by 1 into T2 minus T1 value 1. So C is equal to Q. Okay, so the specific heat capacity of a system is defined as the heat absorbed by 1 kilogram of substance to rise its temperature by 1 Kelvin at the specified temperature. Okay, the heat capacity for 1 mole of substance is called molar heat capacity. It is defined as the amount of heat absorbed by 1 mole of substance to rise its temperature. Okay, rise the temperature. The next one discuss unit of heat capacity. Unit of heat capacity. The SI unit of molar heat capacity, joule Kelvin per mole. So the molar heat capacity can be expressed either constant volume at constant pressure. The constant value Cv and constant pressure Cp. Okay, according to the first law of thermodynamics first law, U is equal to Q plus W or U is equal to Q minus PW, W value substitution. So Q is equal to Q. So heat capacity Q is equal to U plus PdV. The differentiate this equation respect to temperature at constant volume. So constant volume dV is equal to 0 substitutions. So they differentiate dou Q by dou T constant volume divided by dou U by dou T constant volume. So Cv is equal to, this is the Cv. So Cv is equal to dou U by dou T constant volume. This is the Cv value. Okay. The next one, enthalpy. Thus, the heat capacity at constant volume Cv is defined as the rate of change of internal energy with respect to temperature at constant volume. So, the enthalpy, similarly the molar heat capacity at constant pressure can be defined as the rate of change of the enthalpy with respect to temperature at constant pressure. So, constant pressure Cp is equal to dou H by dou T constant pressure. Okay, the next one discuss relations between Cp and Cv for ideal gas. Relations between Cp and Cp gases for the ideal gas. The first one discuss enthalpy formula. Definitions of enthalpy formula. H is equal to U plus PV. The next one mole of an ideal gas formula, PV is equal to nRT. By substituting the first one equation and second in 1. Okay, so H is equal to U plus PV. The PV value substitutions nRT. So U is equal to U plus nRT. The differentiate the above equations with respect to temperature. So the above equation respect to temperature. So the differentiate dou H divided by dou T respect to temperature is equal to dou U by dou T plus nRT. nRT means dou T by dou T. So dou T by dou T is equal to 1. Okay. So dou H divided by dou T is called Cp. Dou U by dou T is called Cv. So nR dou T by dou T is equal to 1. So nR only. So Cp is equal to Cv plus nR. So Cp minus Cv is equal to Cr. This is the dou H by dou T constant pressure is equal to Cp and dou U by dou T constant volume is equal to Cv. So the at the constant pressure process, a system has to do work against the surroundings. Hence the system would require more heat to affect a given temperature rise than at constant volume. So Cp is always greater than Cv. The next one discuss calculations of del U and del H. Calculations of del U and del H. The calculations of del U and del H for 1 mole of an ideal gas, we have Cv is equal to du by dt. So du is equal to Cu into dt. For final change we have del U is equal to Cv del T. So del U is equal to del T means T2 minus T1. So apply these equations. And for n moles of an ideal gas, we get del U is equal to n into T2 minus T1. So similarly, for n moles of an ideal gas, we get del H is equal to n Cp T2 minus T1. This is the calculation of del H and del U. Thank you, student.